Let me show you the engineering and the workmanship of this machine. I think it's absolutely beautiful. First of all, if you look in the beauty you present to the customer with in a dark bar or not so necessarily dark, but very romantic. This is the inside of the machine. Let me show you. These are the thermostat that control when you want to use it, the machine as a cooler versus the a freezer. Look at the workmanship inside. Look what a jewel. What a jewel. Look at this. Look how silent and beautiful it is. This is from the back. The compressor, the solenoids, the fan, the timer that will let the compressor time out when the product reaches the consistency desired. These are the motors inside, how they both can be adjusted to activate and deactivate. You can hear the click. These are the valves, beautiful dispensing valves. As I was telling you, look how fabulous this machine is built. It's a marvel of engineering. You can see and very easy to maintain, very easy to understand how it works. See the fact that there are two motors, one that goes clockwise and one counterclockwise. So we have two motors on each side that will propel this beauty engineering. One above and one below. Look, I consider this the best machine ever made, although it's not produced anymore because it costed way too much to produce. Call me for any particular question you may have. Thank you. Ciao, arrivederci.